In this video, we listed the 5 best sublimation printer for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Epson Workforce WF7720. The Epson Workforce WF7720 is a high-performance inkjet printer with Wi-Fi connectivity and Ethernet and wireless capabilities. It is designed for color printing with a maximum print speed of 1,319 pages per minute, ppm, in color and 18 ppm in monochrome. This printer is equipped with a 500 sheet capacity, dual trays, and a rear feed for specialty paper, making it suitable for high-volume printing. It also features auto two-sided printing, copying, scanning, and faxing, as well as a 35-page auto document feeder. The printer is compatible with genuine Epson inks and is not recommended for use with third-party cartridges or ink. Additionally, it offers easy navigation and control through an intuitive 4.3-inch color touchscreen and supports wireless printing and networking from various devices. Number 2. Lexmark MC3224dwe. The Lexmark MC3224dwe is a multifunction color laser printer designed for compact spaces, offering printing, copying, and scanning capabilities with a tray capacity of up to 250 pages and a single sheet feeder. It features versatile connectivity options including wireless, USB, and Ethernet, facilitating easy setup and printing from mobile devices via apps like Lexmark Mobile Print, Mopria, AirPrint, and Google Cloud Print. Security is prioritized with Lexmark's comprehensive security architecture, ensuring data safety across the device and network. It boasts a maximum print speed of 24 pages per minute in both color and monochrome, supported by a 1 GHz dual-core processor and 512 MB of memory, along with standard auto-duplex printing. Environmentally friendly credentials include EPEAT Silver and Energy Star certifications, complemented by Lexmark toner cartridge recycling programs. The printer's all-in-one design and white-gray color scheme enhance its appeal for various office environments. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET2720. The Epson EcoTank ET2720 is a Wi-Fi-enabled inkjet printer in white color, with a compact and borderless printing feature. It has a maximum print speed of 5 ppm in color and 10 ppm in monochrome, and weighs 5.53 kilograms. This innovative cartridge-free printer uses high-capacity, easily refillable ink tanks, saving up to 90% on replacement ink. It features genuine Epson print quality, a high-resolution flatbed scanner, and a convenient color display. The printer also offers hands-free voice-activated printing and wireless connectivity, making it an ideal basic home printer. With up to 2 years of ink in the box and a worry-free 2-year limited warranty, the ET2720 is designed for reliability and cost-effectiveness. Number 4. Brother 1074269HL. The Brother L2320D is a monochrome laser printer designed for easy and efficient printing. With a high resolution of up to 2400 by 600 dpi, it delivers detailed and high-quality prints at a speed of 30 pages per minute. The printer features a 250-sheet input capacity, reducing the need for constant reloading, and supports various types of media including envelopes, labels, and plain paper. Its automatic duplex printing capability and 1-year manufacturer limited warranty make it a reliable choice for handling large printing jobs. With USB connectivity and compact dimensions of 7.2-inch dx 14.2 wx 14h, the Brother L2320D is a convenient and versatile option for monochrome printing needs. Number 5. Epson Workforce Pro WF7820. The Epson Workforce Pro is a wireless inkjet printer designed for high-speed wide-format printing up to 13 inches by 19 inches. It features precision core heat-free technology for fast prints, with 25 black, 12 color ISO ppm and a fast first page out time. The printer offers high-precision printing with accurate dot placement and DURA Bright Ultra Instant Dry Pigment inks for professional quality prints. It is designed for high-volume reliability, with innovative heat-free technology to reduce downtime. The printer also includes a complete duplex solution for auto two-sided print, copy, scan, and fax, along with a 50-sheet ADF. Additionally, it has a large 250-sheet paper capacity for maximizing efficiency and a 4.3-inch color touchscreen for easy navigation and control. The printer also offers convenient wireless setup using Bluetooth Low Energy, built-in wireless, Wi-Fi Direct, and Ethernet networking. Lastly, seamless scanning is supported with the Epson ScanSmart software, providing easy scanning and editing with a user-friendly interface.